dear students, the history of the consideration of foreign language teaching goes back at least to the ancient Greeks, if we trace, the line of time. They were interested in what they could learn about the mind and the will through, human will through language learning. As far as the Romans are concerned, they were the first to study a foreign language formally. They studied Greek, taught by Greek tutors and taught by the slaves. Now, their approach was less philosophical and it was more practical than that of the Greeks, if we make a comparison. Well, in the Western world, during the 17th, 18th and the 19th centuries, foreign language learning was associated with the learning of Latin and Greek languages. Vital importance was given and there was a focus on grammatical rules and syntactic structures in the learning of Latin and Greek languages, along with the rote memorization of the vocabulary and the translation of the literary texts. And basically, rules of one language would be applied on the other language in order to learn that or to facilitate its learning. There was no provision for the oral use of the language under study. Main focus was on the written, tasks. Latin and Greek were not being taught for oral communication, but for the sake of speakers becoming scholarly. If we trace the ancient times regarding language, actually late in the 19th century, the classical method came to be known as the grammar translation method. It offered very little beyond an insight into the grammatical rules that were to be learned, rather that were to be memorized. It attended the process of translating from the second language to the native language as well.